So what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So guys, in this short video I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone Face ID not responding or unresponsive after update iOS 17.5 beta. As you can see, this is my iPhone XS and right now it's running on iOS 17.5 beta. You can see appears on screen in the update section. Okay, after that update I was facing that issue on my iPhone, that when I try to open my iPhone with Face ID, the Face ID stuck or unresponsive. Lot of other iPhone user reported that issue. So how to fix that issue? If you're also facing that issue, keep watching full video. Firstly, move to the solution one. Solution one is downgrade your iPhone to the previous iOS update. To do that, make sure you have created a backup of your iPhone to downgrade your iPhone to the previous update. Okay, if that method not working for you or you don't like that method, so move to the next solution. The next solution is open iPhone setting. Okay, in setting app you need to tap on general. You can see appears on screen general section. Okay, you can see appears on screen here are showing background app refresh. You can see appears on screen it's all off right now. Just turn it on. Okay, now go back and change some other setting. You can see appears on screen VPN and device management. Tap on that. Okay, make sure you don't have any iOS 17 beta profile in that section. If you have, then remove that from here. And if that method not working for you, then move to the next solution. The next solution is open iPhone setting again. Tap on general, scroll down. Okay, you can see appears on screen transfer or reset iPhone option showing here. Tap on that. Tap on reset. Okay, reset all setting and then done that. Okay, if that method is also not working for you, then move to the next solution. The next solution is force to restart your iPhone. It's dependent on you that which model you are using. Just go and force to restart your iPhone after update iOS 17 beta and fix that issue. Make sure you don't have any hardware issue in your iPhone Face ID. If you have any hardware issue in your iPhone Face ID, just connect the nearest Apple store. They will fix your issue. Okay, so friends, after watching this video, I hope you will all know how to fix iPhone Face ID stuck or unresponsive after update iOS 17 beta 5. Hope this video is helpful for you. If the video is helpful for you, don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos notification. Thanks for watching.